that brings up another kind of a nice thought, which is one of the big four again, universal healthcare.
Yeah,
It's something that, being from one of the poorer states in the U.S., Kentucky, that it would help so many people here, thousands, if not millions of people here in Kentucky would benefit from a universal health care. Yet many of our people vote against it. Why is that? It's something that I've tried to wrap my head around, and I have a vision, and I think a part of it is the divisiveness that
yeah,
is promoted. But can you speak to that a little bit, Charles?
yeah. And I'll tell you, I've seen a whole lot of that in the state legislature, and of course, working across Kentucky, where we have people in positions of leadership that stoke division, that will try to make the idea of investing in people scary, too expensive, but yet they'll give big bailouts to corporations.
Hmm.
Make sure they're not paying anything in taxes. But if we want people to be healthy, oh no, that's scary, that's expensive, we can't afford it. It's don't do that. It's going to hurt the economy, and man, you got to follow the money.
So it's fear.
Uh,
It's fear
for it,
based. They create fear.
yeah.
Yeah.
And man, listen, we got to put the politics aside, man. Healthcare is a human right. Everybody needs healthcare,
Hmm.
and we need Medicare for all. Of course, we do. It's an economic policy just as much as a healthcare policy. And when I tell the story about rationing my own insulin and nearly dying from diabetic ketoacidosis, folks start to look and say, "Okay, well, he's not playing politics here." And
Hmm.
even if I don't really agree, I hear what he's saying. And you know what, man? The majority of folks want health care. We just haven't had leaders that lean into that. And I am. And we're going to go to Washington and win it.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I think it's. I think again, most people are for it. The unfortunate thing with America is we got two parties, right? And you got to put all your interest in one or the other, and it creates a conundrum.